Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Di Samla Pule College but University ke Jela hapok alama Meghalaya Eco Clean kilapan pau leng bagi social media ya ke jing Pyrshah jur halor ke jing temu jong ke University Grants Commission ban Pynlong ya ki exam la kumno hau benai nailur arjar arpo. Kato kat ni ki Samla Pule kilapan pau bagi jing rai jong ke UGC ban le kumta kalong ke baklem da tau da wa pura ya ke jing do nong bat ke jing mentoi na kani. Karai ke baklem da pensyong nong rim klem ke jing perkat jingai. Laong bawat la kadai yaki ban jam syaprang ha ka Pule ka puthi nrei hakum kane ka por baka jingele Pyrshah ya ka klam covid khat khandai ka don kam ya ka jingetali salon sar jong barok ki pai nong shong shnong jongkari ka UGC penban ka phai da lengkdong bat bo ya ki Samla Pule ha ka jingma ha ka jo ka por ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association ru ka layas nok tilang bat ka jing Pyrshah ya ka rai jong ka UGC ha ka ni ka jingyaki ka bajarjar bala Pynlong ha ka ri barok away.
As an affiliate of the All India Federation of University and College Teachers Organization, and in response to the call of the Joint Forum for Movement on Education, the MCTA has decided to participate in this one-day nationwide protest today, the 29th of July 2020, to ask for the immediate withdrawal of the UGC guidelines dated 6th of July 2020. Well, the reason the MCTA took this decision is because we had a discussion amongst our office bearers, and considering that the UGC had suggested for an offline, online, or a blended mode of conduct of examinations in September, we had a meeting and we decided that in either way, conducting of such an exam as early as September is not really or logically practicable for us. The reason is an online mode, as you know, connectivity is a main issue here in the Northeast, and though we had conducted our online classes, yet we had received a lot of concerns from our students regarding connectivity, especially those located in the remote areas. So an online mode of examination is not possible. An offline mode is the one which is best suited for us. But the problem is, in such a situation as this right now, and calling for an exam for as early as September, it is not viable, because we have students from the different states of the Northeast, and in such a situation where interstate movement is being restricted, it will be a big problem. And we have had students also who are residing in rented houses here in Shillong, because all colleges here in Shillong do not have hostel facilities. So those staying in rented houses have had to vacate their houses and let them go. So they're coming back for only these exams. It would require provision of institutional quarantine for them. And apart from that also, a kind of an accommodation or a hostel stay for them, so that they can, do their exams. But having said that, we are not averse to examinations, but we would like some other sort of, examination method to be followed for the benefit of our students, without, ensuring that the safety of both their lives and their health is taken into consideration. So that's the reason why we are participating in this. And another reason also is because, as you know, we had begun our sessions only in February. So we had hardly had, quite a number of contact classes. And we would like that before examinations actually start, that we are given some time as teachers to resolve to queries of our students, because there is no substitute to an online, there's no substitute to a direct classroom situation where we can clear the doubts of our students. So, putting that time limit of also September is a concern. But having said that, we also understand that, the session and the academic calendar, if it's delayed even more, would be affected to a large extent. So I don't know what the solution is, but we would like that in such a situation that the state governments and all the stakeholders, including our affiliate university, Northeastern Hill University, does keep the problems of our students as well in mind, and keep the interests of our students in mind, and do take up the matter with UGC.